Hi guys, this is Yuki for your daily roundup about the Milli coin. This is edition number 5, and if you want to know what Milli is or how to buy Milli, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a tutorial I made about that. And I also recommend you visit the website milli.org. They have everything explained over there too. From how to buy, how to check the charts, how to check the listing on CoinGecko or on CoinMarketCap, how to add the contract manually or anything else you might need. As usual, we'll start with exploring the Twitter account. And Milli has gained another 150 followers overnight. You'll find the links to buy and follow the charts here as well. And we can see that 2 hours ago, Milli posted a meme of the Milli dog killing the bear market. And the team posted another bullish tweet earlier, asking you to pick between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Milli as the first step on the way to buying your first Lambo. Another news announced by the team earlier today was the listing on lunarcrush.com, which is basically a trending measurement tool. It will show you everything that has been posted, said, or measured on a said token. But if you want to access this data, you will need to pay a monthly subscription of $5. The rest of the Twitter at the moment is full of meme because the competition is ongoing, and everyone is still submitting to try and win those 20 million Milli, or 10 or 5. Now let's head over to the market. As we can see, and as I said 2 days ago, the market needed a little bit of cool down time. We can call this a pullback. Definitely not the top, definitely not the end of the bull market in my opinion. Seems that Bitcoin is already solidifying at 68. And in the meantime, some altcoins like Jupiter, Solana, and even RSA are already going up by a lot. Now let's take a look at the Milli chart. As you can see, we have finally exited this massive triangle all the way up to the first resistance here, went through it, went back down. We retested here the top of the triangle and then all the way back up to use this previous resistance as a support from now. My prediction here is that we're going to go up to this next resistance, then go back down, probably to retest that support until going back up, cross that resistance, and use it as a support again. And this means that we could reach a new all-time high very soon, especially if we get an announcement like a new exchange or whatever else the team has been cooking for us. Alright, that's it for it guys. And don't forget that nothing I said was financial advice. So just invest money you can afford to lose and don't forget to have fun. Cheers!